Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the multiplication of decimal numbers with the multiples of tens, with the whole numbers and with the decimal numbers. Multiplication of decimal numbers. First, by multiples of 10. Suppose you have a decimal number 739.282 and this is to be multiplied by 10. Okay. Now, when we multiply with 10 or its multiples, a very simple formula is that the decimal will move towards the right hand side. The decimal will move towards the right hand side. And how many places? The number of zeros which are there in the number with which you are multiplying the decimal number. Okay. Now here you are multiplying with 10. So there is how many zeros? 1. So the answer is going to be 739. Now this decimal, earlier this decimal was here after 9. Now as there is 1 0, so this decimal will move one digit towards the right side. And how will you now read the number? 7,392.82. Is it clear? So in this manner, you are going to multiply a decimal number with the multiples of 10. Suppose you have 14.907 multiplied by 1000. As it is multiplication, so when the decimal moves from its place towards the right side, the answer becomes bigger. Because in multiplication, we get the answer is always bigger, whereas in division, the answer becomes the smaller than the given number. So here, the decimal will move towards the right hand side. I'll write all the digits. Now, the decimal was here. And how many zeros are there? 3. So 1, 2, 3. So decimal will come here. As there is no digit after 7, so the answer is going to be this only. Is it clear? How to multiply? Now I'll take one more. 23.1 multiplied by 1000. As I told you, the decimal will move. How many zeros are there? 3. But here after decimal you have just only 1. One digit is this for 1 0. For rest of the 2 zeros you are going to put zeros there in the answer. Now, why we do this? Because when we multiply a simple whole number with multiples of 10, we just straight away write the answer. As many zeros are there. Okay. Now, when we have to put the decimal, after one digit, there is one digit after the decimal. So similarly from the ones place I will put the decimal as there is one digit. So I'll count 1. So it is going to be in this manner you are going to write. But after the decimal there is 0. So means decimal part is not there. So your answer is 23,100 is the answer. Is it clear? So in this manner you are going to multiply the decimal numbers with the multiples of tens. Now how to multiply the decimal number with whole numbers? First we have done by the multiples of 10, then by whole numbers. Now when I am writing the product of decimal and the whole number, means this number is with decimal and there is no decimal with this other number. That's why it's a whole number. So how you multiply? Just multiply as you were doing your multiplication of whole numbers. 7 9s are 63. 3 I'll put. 6 is carried forward. 7 1s are 7. Plus 6, 13. 7 2s are 14. Plus 1, 15. Is it clear? Now, there is no decimals because this is a whole number part. Now, after the decimal, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So, from 1's place, you will count 1, 2, 3 and you are going to put decimal here. So in this manner, you are going to multiply a decimal number and a whole number. Clear? So here you are going to multiply the decimal number and the whole number. Just see how many digits occur after the decimal. That many digits will be counted from 1's place and they will be decimal you are going to put. Okay, so in this manner you are going to multiply. Now the last one, how to multiply a decimal number by a decimal number. I'll take multiplied by 0.03. It is to be multiplied, the number 202.02 multiplied by 0.03. Now how to multiply it? Now first, as there is only one digit in the decimal number, so I will just multiply first this number with 3. No decimal to be taken into consideration. 3 2s are 6. 0 as it is. 3 2s are 6. 0. Again 3 2s are 6. Now count how many digits are there after this decimal in the first number. 2. And here also in the other number again 2. So total digits after the decimal are 4. Okay. So you are going to count from the 1's place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and put the decimal here. In this manner you are going to multiply a decimal number by a decimal number. I'll take one more example. 10.09 multiplied by 1.09. Now, how you used to do the multiplication? I'll write in this manner. 9 nines are 81 as 0 is there. So 9 ones 9. Second number is for 0. So you will get zeros everywhere. Then 9 ones, 1 nines are 9s. 0, 0 and 1. Now add them. 1, 8, 9, 9, 0, 1. So you got this answer. I'll write it here. 109981. Now count how many zeros are digits are there after the decimal. 1, 2, 2 in the first number and again 2 in the second number. So total are 4. From the ones place, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you are going to put the decimal here. Every time you are going to start counting from your right hand side. Is it clear? So in this manner you are going to do the multiplication of decimal number, and that's all for today. Rest we'll take up next time.